Hello everyone, I'm so happy to welcome you back to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to make these super pretty lovely roses that you can make only in 5 minutes. So let's get started. So for this flower we are going to need piece of foam or Foamiran, and here are the measurements. Make sure to pause so you can see them better. The first thing I do is to divide the bottom of the strip in 3. Make sure to divide it by 3 evenly, because what we are going to do next is to cut 3 lines or 3 strips, but make sure not to cut until the end and leave at least 1 centimeter. And as you can see here, I divided it by 3, and as you can see I left 1 centimeter on the top, because what we have to do next is to make a simple braid, as you can see here, and you have to keep on braiding until you reach the bottom. As you can see, so far it's super easy. And I would love if you can recreate this rose at home. So when you reach the end, just take the 3 strips on the top of each other and take a glue gun and glue them together. Next, when you glue the 3 ends of the strips together, make sure to cut them in a nice shape, because after that, when we arrange the flower, it will have a good finish. So now here comes the best part in my opinion. Put a little bit of glue in the beginning of the part where you didn't cut and fold it like this. And then what you have to do next is to put more glue on the back of the braid. And then you just have to roll like this, as I'm showing you here. And the only thing you have to keep on doing is to do the same thing. Just put more glue on the back of the braid and keep on rolling until you reach the end of the braid. That is, as you can see, super simple. I couldn't believe that it took me only 5 minutes to make this rose, and it's perfect to decorate belts, bags or gift boxes. You can use it for so many things. I really hope you will like this rose, and I really hope you can recreate it at home as well. If you did, please like this video and subscribe for more videos like this, and you're welcome also to check out my previous videos of projects similar as this one. And in the end, thank you so much for watching this video. I wish you all the best and see you in my next video. Bye!